Hi, let us study one more example on discrete probability distribution. The example is the probability that a newsreader commits no mistakes in reading the news is 1 upon e cube. Find the probability that on a particular news broadcast he commits only 2 mistakes, at most 3 mistakes, and more than 3 mistakes. So here the probability that a newsreader commits no mistakes is given. That is, and you can even see that no n is given, no p is given. That is nothing like a number or a probability is given. Only given thing is probability that the news reader commits no mistakes is 1 upon e cube. So this, and even see the questions here asked, it is the news reader commits 2 mistakes, 3 mistakes, more than 3 mistakes, like that are there. That means here success is committing mistake by the newsreader. So success means committing mistakes, and what is given is probability that no mistakes are done by the newsreader. That means it is probability that x equal to 0 is given. So probability that the newsreader commits no mistakes is 1 upon e cube. That implies probability that x equal to 0 is e raised to minus 3. Now the Poisson distribution function is p of x is equal to e raised to minus m power x divided by x factorial. Now in this we'll go for substituting x equal to 0. So we get p of 0 equal to e raised to minus m raised to x, that is m raised to 0 divided by 0 factorial. Now it's given p of 0 is e raised to minus 3. RHS will get e raised to minus m. So bases are same. Comparing the powers, we can say m is equal to 3. Now the probability function therefore becomes e power minus 3, 3 raised to x divided by x factorial. First question asked is probability that the newsreader commits 2 mistakes. That means it is probability that x is equal to 2. Put x equal to 2 in this, e power minus 3, 3 raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial. It is 0.2240. The second question is probability that at most 3 mistakes are committed. So at most 3, maximum 3 mistakes are committed. That means it is probability that x is less than or equal to 3. So less than or equal to 3 means it may be 0, 1, 2 or 3. So we'll add all these probabilities, p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. P of 0, put x equal to 0 in this, we get e raised to minus 3, or else write this function in your calculator. Go on substituting the values of x as 0, 1, 2 and 3. You will get the corresponding values. Add them. So the answer is 0.6472. The next question asked is the probability that more than 3 mistakes are committed. More than 3. So more than 3 means it is probability that x is greater than 3. So it is 1 minus probability that x is less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3 already we have calculated. Substitute it, 1 minus 0.6472, we get 0.3528.